So in order to delete your Gmail account, it's actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is go to google.com and you want to make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. So once you're signed into the correct Google account, you want to go ahead and click on your picture in the top right hand corner, and then you want to go ahead and click on manage your Google account. You should be led to the back end of your account. From here you want to go ahead and click on data and personalization just to the left, and then you want to scroll down about 3/4 and you want to go ahead and find where it says delete a service or your account. So go ahead and click on that. On this page you're going to be greeted with 4 options. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete a Gmail account, so you want to go ahead and click on delete a service. A service is something that's linked to your Google account, for example your YouTube channels, your Gmail account, Google calendars, etc. However, if you just want to delete it all and you just want to delete your Google account, and then you want to go ahead and click on delete your account. And of course this is going to delete absolutely everything, like all of your services, but it's also going to delete all of your data, like photos and emails. So we're going to be deleting our Gmail account, so we're going to click on delete a service. Once you've signed into your Google account again, you will be taken to this page here, and it's basically listing all of the services that you have linked to your Google account. Now of course we want to delete the Gmail service, so you're going to go ahead and click on the trash icon here. Because we are deleting our Gmail account, it means we are no longer going to be able to access the services we've signed up using this Gmail account. So in order to fix this problem, we need to enter a new email address here and click on the send verification email so we can continue using our services using the new email. However, I haven't signed up to any services using this email and I don't want to enter a new email address either. So we have a couple of options. We can either leave our Gmail account open and just never use it, or we can go ahead and just delete our Google account entirely. But if we do this, it does mean that everything is going to be deleted, including other services and all of our data linked to it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So to delete our Google account, we need to go back to this page here with the 4 options. And I recommend you download your data beforehand, just in case you may need it. But once you've done this, you want to go ahead and click on delete your account. So once you've signed into your Google account, you'll be taken to this page here. Now this page is going to give you a brief overview of what's going to happen next, and it's also going to give you a list of everything that's going to be deleted. So once you've read through everything and you are happy with it, you want to go ahead and click on this box here, and go ahead and click on this box here, and you want to go ahead and click on delete account. Once you've deleted your account, you should be taken back to the Google Accounts page, except signed into another email if you have one. If not, you'll be taken back to another Google related page. And that is all you need to do to delete your Gmail account or your Google account. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thank you for watching and have a good day.